I'm the mother of you all, the air in every breath you take, the magic in the seed that grows. I am in everything you make. I'm part of you. You're part of me. I'm the sun, moon, stars, and sea. I'm the wind blowing through your hair, the clouds racing through the air. I'm the water quenching thirst, the food keeping you alive. I'm a million different species, all this beauty for your eyes. I will forever be your home. Fight not, for owns part of me. I'm a home for every soul, here, now, eternally.